Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. I hope that you people are doing well. We are discussing social media marketing. In the last lecture, I shared with you what social media is and why it is important because it is faster, it is interactive, and it is more efficient way to communicate with a large group of people with masses at a very minimum cost. Now, when we talk about social media marketing, we are referring to using marketing tactics and mix it with social media. So using social media platforms and marketing through those social media platforms. When we speak about marketing communication, especially from business perspective, our main objective is to talk about, to discuss our company, our products and services with the people, to make sure that a lot of people know about our product, they are informed about our product, they are motivated to buy our product, and then they are reminded to buy again and again. And that is the motive of all the businesses, to inform people about their product, to persuade people to buy their product, and to remind them to buy again and again. And that's how they acquire customers, they retain customer, and then they maximize their profit. And the tool, a brilliant tool that you have, is social media marketing. What is social media marketing? First, understand marketing tactics, marketing methods, marketing philosophies used in social media or on social media. What are social media platforms? The common social media platforms that we have in our businesses or individually are Facebook, we have YouTube, we have TikTok, we have Instagram, we have Twitter, now called X, we have many other. For example, depending on which what is the purpose of your social media communication, we have LinkedIn, for instance, we have platforms which are specifically designed for Q&A. For instance, we have Reddit, we have Quora, and so on. So these are the platforms, social platforms. What are social platforms? The group of people, society, interact with one another in order to communicate, in order to deliver messages and receive messages. And when that tool or this tool is used, or these tools are used by organizations, we call it social media marketing, of course, for the purpose of marketing. Why organizations use social media? For the marketing purposes. As I mentioned you in my previous video, it is cheaper, it is quicker, it gives more real-time information to the market and real-time information to the company. There are analytics that you can go through, and there are analytics which can help you understand if your communication is working or if it is not working. So we will have some videos on social media marketing analytics as well, and I'm working, as I mentioned, on a course specifically on social media marketing, designing the campaigns, running the campaigns, and then understanding how these campaigns are working. Now, the social media platforms helps us to participate in social networking, group of people working together. We, being company or being individual, can share our post on various social media platforms, and that way we can improve our business visibility. Remember, if people don't know about your product or service, if people don't know about your company, they are never going to buy your product. The first step towards establishing your business, your product, your services, to let the people know about your product, inform them that you exist. So social media can help you doing that, and then you can do regular or more frequent updates on the social media to keep the people up to date about your products and services, your upcoming launches, and your pricing and your strategies. It also helps the organization to engage with the customers. And what is the main definition of marketing? The more contemporary definition of marketing: engaging with customers to make them profitable, to build profitable relationship with them. So how do you engage with customers? Through social media platforms. You engage with customers in so many instances real time. Take an example of TikTok Live now. TikTok Store have TikTok Live, Facebook have Facebook Live, YouTube have YouTube Live. What do organizations do? They go live and they sell. People are earning millions on TikTok just by going live and selling their products to the live audience. So Social media marketing platforms should not be ignored. If you have a business, if you have an organization and you are not yet on social media, and majority of 99% of these social media platforms are free to create your account on. So you create your account on, you engage dedicated people to post on social media about your company, about your businesses, and that way you create visibility in the area in which you're doing business. Once you're visible, people ask, people inquire, you engage with them, you convert them to customers, you keep them, you retain them, and then you make them profitable, loyal customers. Social media marketing is extremely important. I want you to tell me, if you have a business, if you're working in an organization, what social media platforms are you using, and which of the platforms are working well for your organization or the nature of business that you have. So if to tell me what business industry you're working in, what social media platforms you're using, and which one of these platforms are using. Because in some businesses one platform works, in another business another platform works. In some businesses Facebook will work, in other businesses YouTube may work, Twitter may work, and it also depends on the area in which you are using these social media platforms. We have more lectures. Stay tuned. Take care. Bye.